Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Samsung Galaxy A33. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here we want to write Google Classroom. And select this app. Now install. Open. Get started. And from here you will need to add or use already existing Google account. So I'm just gonna pick that one, press OK. And now press on this plus button, join class. Here you will need to use the class code that you've been provided with and then press join class in order to join the class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.